All right, we have this amazing 3-in-1 sleeper sofa bed. It's in the bed position right now. For reference, I am just shy of 6 feet, and as you can see, my feet are not hanging off, and I have a little bit more room up here. So just so you understand the length of it, this thing's sweet. So it's in the bed position right now. Let's go ahead and show you. It also comes with these cushions right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how we're gonna turn this into a recliner right now. So I'm gonna move this back here. I'll move this to here, and then we will push this back. And now it is a recliner. And let's put these back. And these are comfortable. These are nice. These cushions right here are nice. But now it's in the recliner position, and we're just hanging out. We're just hanging out in the recliner position. As you can see, pretty sweet. Could easily hold 2 people. Cup holder here. Cup holder here. Even has a USB section right there and a USB-C that I'll show you in just a second. But then let's just say you want to turn this into just a regular couch. So we'll come up here and we will take this. We'll set this up here. And now we are in regular couch mode. So, dude, this thing is sweet. It's just sweet how it has all the different positions. Very easy to use. Let me just show you the USB-C section actually really quick. So, got my phone here. I plug it in right here, and my phone will begin charging. There we go, charging. So as you can see, just a sweet couch, gets the job done, comfortable, great value. Highly recommend.